Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the DHCP IP pool on the TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is connect to our router, and after that we're going to go to the admin page, which by default is 192.168.0.1, so separated by dots. So now we can go to the page, and if you are logged out and you need to enter a password and username, the username is admin and the password is also admin, all lowercase. So once we've done that, we're going to go to the home tab, then go to advanced, so the advanced settings, and then we're going to go to the DHCP tab, and here we have DHCP IP pool. So change this to whatever you need, so to whatever you need this for, and then once you've done that, press apply to save your settings. And you may need to restart your router once you've applied those settings, but once it's restarted, your options will be applied. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.